Hi family, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy this video and please come back and watch many more of my videos to come. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the back and the mirror from each frame. After I remove the backs and the mirrors from each frames, then I'm going to glue each frame together with my Gorilla Glue and my glue from my hot glue gun. After both glues have dried, then take it outside and spray it with your metallic silver spray. After the spray dries, now I am going to apply a string of diamond wrap around the top of each frame. The diamond wrap has adhesive on the back, so it's your choice if you want to add glue to the bottom of it to secure it into place. Next, put your mirrors back into each frame. It's now time to add your mirror butterflies. Then I added the remainder butterflies onto the mirror. Each butterfly has adhesive on the back, so I didn't need to put any glue on it. It stuck to the mirror perfectly without glue. I glued the butterflies on the frame to cover up the white board. Lastly, take each clear paper off the front of each butterfly. I'm finished.